money from our relatives, parents and our loved ones. So where do you keep that money? I came up with an idea of where to keep that money. And it's a paper wallet. See, it looks like this. I have kept some fake notes in it. But you can also keep real notes. So, let's get started. For this to make the paper wallet, we need glue and a A4 size sheet. First, we have to fold the A4 size sheet in half. So now, as you can see, our wallet is ready. Now we will make the fake notes. It's your choice if you want to or not. Now keep this aside and we need to take a paper. Now you need to cut these. So as you can see, I have cut these. Now we will paste them. We have to paste the bigger one on this side. Now I had already cut these two stickers. See? Now I will paste them. You can take any cartoon character or anything you like and draw it and paste it. I had also made these. And now we will paste this also. Now we will turn this and I will paste it here. use sketch pen here. We will turn this and do the same. So now we have finished decorating our rupees and we will decorate our wallet. So as you can see, our wallet is now decorated. And now I'll put the rupees in it. So this was the end of my video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share my channel and videos. Bye friends!